Christine McKinley here with the Real Estate Chicks. Thank you so much for trusting us with the sale of your home. We are so excited to get started. There's a lot of information moving forward, so you will get an email just like this and a video just like this throughout the process with every big milestone. Now, the emails are going to be kind of a snippet. It's going to be bullet points, just everything that you need to know, but these videos are going to be more in depth. So if you have more questions, go ahead and watch this video. If you've never sold a house or if it's been a while that you've sold a house, go ahead and watch all these videos. They're going to be very informative, and I think that that is fantastic when you're making really big decisions like this. So let's go ahead and get started with our first video, which is going to be all about kind of what to expect before your house hits the market. So we're going to talk about photos, we're going to talk about the sign, we're going to talk about the lockbox, and we're going to talk about approving your house on the MLS before we hit live. Okay? So you are in control of this whole process, how slow, how fast it goes. At our appointment, I'm sure we have talked about all of that. So again, this is just a general video of kind of what to expect. I'm not going to go into specific timelines or anything like that, but I'll just give you an overview, okay? So let's talk about photos first. So if you live in the house, please follow our checklist that I have linked in the email that I sent you with this video. It's a really, really good checklist. I would take a long weekend and just really work on it. The more work that you put in up front, the better. Let us know. We have cleaners available. We can help you with any vendors, paint, anything like that, getting your home ready for the market. Again, any work that you do up front is really going to pay tenfold at the closing table. So that's very, very important. And of course, I'm sure that we've, maybe given you some homework with some stuff to do. Try to do as much as possible. We walk through homes with buyers on a weekly basis, and we really listen to them, and we know what they're looking for, and we know, what is going to make their offer the strongest. So we're going to take that information and help you get the most money for your house. So on photo day, I would recommend, again, this is if you live in the home, just make sure that your lights are on, the fans are off, and just all blinds are open, all curtains are open. We want as much light as possible throughout the house. Of course, make it as tidy as possible for the photographer. Either Denise or I will be there for photos because we'll be there for the drone video, the walkthrough video, and we take many walkthrough videos. So I would say just give us about 30 minutes of time at the house. Maybe go for a walk. If you have dogs or pets, take them with you. And we are going to get your house as ready for the internet as possible, okay? So we're going to take all the photos, we're going to take all the video, and this is just the time that we need to get all of the marketing together because all of this needs to be edited and trimmed and all of that good stuff. So we will typically get photos within 24 to 48 hours, and we always send you the link, the entire link with every single photo. And again, not every single photo is going to go on the MLS, so we're going to pick and choose, but we always send you every photo that the photographer takes, okay? So again, not all of them are going to go on the MLS. Now, regarding the sign and the lockbox, so the sign is going to go in the yard. If you are in a single family home, the sign's going to go in the yard the day after photos. If you're in a condo or a townhome, it's really going to depend on your HOA if we can put a sign up, but if we can put a sign up, we're going to put a sign up, okay? If you are in a new construction development, we will not be able to put a sign up because the builder does not let us compete with them. So that's very important. Now, the lockbox. We are going to put a big blue lockbox probably on the front door if we haven't talked about something different. And this is a realtor only lockbox. So only realtors can get into it, and it is very safe. We will grab an extra key from you. And remember, once you have given us that key, that is our key. You do not get that back. You do not get that key back. So do not think that you will have access to the lockbox because, again, no one besides realtors will have access to the lockboxes. Now, putting this all together, wrapping it up for the MLS, I'm going to send you, just like I said before, the photos, and I'm going to send you the MLS and the write-up to approve before we go live on the market. I'm going to email it to you. That's going to be a whole other email with a whole other video, so look forward to that. And you're going to be able to say, Christine, I like this, I don't like this, I want to change this, I want to add this. You know your home better than we do. So really help us, and feel free to edit anything that we say in the write-up. Again, you know your home better than we do. So we're looking forward to getting going on this, and let us know if you have any questions so far. Bye.